Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And what I want to do today is just show you a quick little clip, a glimpse, an insight to what we do in the options membership area. So if you're brand new to joining us, we do a lot of things with options. And in this video, I'm going to show you a quick little clip from the members section of what goes on and happens behind the scene. Now keep in mind, this quick clip is just truncated, so it's smaller. Whereas in the member section, you get the full video, and even some of the sessions, we go ahead and do them live. So that way you get more insight on in depth. You can ask questions, and we can really cover some of the options topics more heavily, kind of based on the questions that you have and based on the market conditions. Now, if you want to join us in the options membership area, just go ahead and go to our website. You can go to tradersfly.com. And by the way, there we have a getting started page for options. You can also check out some of the freebies here, download a Greeks cheat sheet and much more. And go to the member section by clicking the membership area right there at the top. And that'll forward you to our website where you can see a couple of different memberships that we offer, like options, ideas, and strategies. And you can then click that button to learn more. And there's a video overview of what that membership's all about. Now, I hope you join us. That way you get some more insight, more in depth on your options trading. You can see some other strategies based on market conditions, gives you some ideas how you would manage things, maybe Q&As, and kind of like think of it like a discount Q&A session or a discount coaching session, because you could ask questions directly and I'm more honed in and focused on you. Whereas maybe if we do live events on YouTube, sometimes comments and questions get buried in there, and then you don't really get a chance to a little bit of focus on you. So anyways, hope you join us. Thank you so much. Enjoy this quick little clip as we have in this video, and keep in mind that the members area gets the full version. So I really hope you join us by going to our website at tradersfly.com. So the first thing we're going to talk about today, and just kind of go ahead and give you kind of a couple of points. So let's do this. So first point, number one, if you have positions. Number two, new positions. And then these are kind of the main topics that I want to chat about right now. So if you have positions, one of the things that you may want to do right now is to protect something. So let's say I have like a Tesla position right here. So you'll see right here, here's my Tesla position. And if I'm worried about the election and maybe this is concerning me, maybe it's going to go up, maybe it's going to go down. Obviously the downside in this case would be a problem. Most people that have positions, they are, long investing, or at least a part of their account is a long investor account. So if you have positions, what do you do? Well, let's say this position is profitable. Two simple things that you could do. So let's say we've got some profits here. I could take half off. So that's the first step. So let's go ahead. I'll just show you this example because, anyway, I might as well take some off the table. So let's say I go ahead and take some off. So right there, go ahead and peel off some positions right there. That'll probably sell here soon. And let's just go ahead and cancel and replace. And go ahead and just kind of fill that order in quickly. And there we go. So take some off the table. So now we've got some shares off the table. So I've already taken half profit. So that's one of the simplest things you could do. The second thing, if you want to stay in the position, you could go ahead and purchase some, let's say, puts against it. Or in other words, add an extra put that you have here. So let's say I want to go ahead and, well, let's do it this way. I'm 15 long delta this way, right, to the upside. I got 15 long delta. What if I want to reduce that? So let's say this thing tanks. That also means that I will lose those deltas. So, I could be way down here, and that could be a problem on my position. So then I'll be at 57 delta. So you kind of have to project that it's 15 now, but then it'll be like 20 and 30 a little bit later. So it does accelerate. So let's say I need about a 20 delta. So here I got the 31-day options. I could go into about 45 days if I don't want as much risk as far as time risk. So let's say I get about a 30 delta. So here we are about a delta, and I'm watching this column right here, Y30, because right now I'm at 15. It could go up to 50, so I want about a 20, 30 delta, and you'll see how that affects it in a second here. So let's say about a 25-ish, 370. So I'll buy a single, analyze the trade, and look at that. It flattens my curve pretty good here. The problem is now if the stock market pops on election, I've got a little bit of an issue. So maybe I want to go ahead and reduce that to maybe a 360. So that way I still have some upside room, even maybe a, let's say a 320, so less protection. So now if I've got about a 3 delta, let's go to maybe 325, got about a 2 delta here, and maybe a 330. So there we go. So now if it pops quite a bit, I'm not, losing too much. If it drops quite a bit, I'm not losing too much either. I just kind of want to get through it, right? I want to keep that trade to keep my theta going right here, which is 33. Yes, this does kill my theta a bit by adding this from a 60 to about a 32. But my goal is to risk manage. What if this thing goes against me? So my big thing is the downside. The upside, I still got plenty of room. So here I've kind of just neutralized it a little bit. And that's just one way to protect it. Just, hey, if it goes down and tanks, I don't know, you've got maybe a lot of positions. So you could do something like this on one or multiple positions right now. So I'll just go ahead and do that right now. Just go ahead and say, hey, let's just get some protection. Boom, neutralize it a little bit. Not too much problems on the downside, not too much problems on the upside. I flattened my curve. So reduced some positions and flattened the curve a bit, because without it, here it is, boom, if this thing tanks, you could be trading the S&P, you could be trading the Russell. If this thing tanks, boom, you could be down $3,000. So let's just add a price slice here and go to the 330. And then right there, you would have been down 3 grand or so. Now I'd be only down 1,000. Here it'd be down 3,700. So yes, I'd still be down, just not as bad. So that's the point, is that you're cutting your losses, quite a lot. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick clip, and some insights on what we do kind of in the members section of the options segment. Keep in mind, if you're brand new to just getting started, go check out the options trading start here section on our website at tradersfly.com, or you could go to the freebies section where you could go ahead and download quite a lot of other cheat sheets, worksheets, mini video courses, and things that I'm working on for you guys. And if you want to join us in the members area, go to the membership section right up here on the navigation bar. You'll be then taken to our members website, and that's where you can see the options, ideas and strategies membership plan, and you can get a big overview of what it's really all about as well with a video there. So thanks again for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, or of course, go ahead and join the newsletter list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, courses, products, books, and maybe even join us on our live video session from time to time. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.